Well, the main thing was the concrete driveway that meets the garage floor. The left half had actually sunk probably 3 to 4 inches, and it was primarily a safety issue. So I looked up and found LRE Foundation. They came out, they gave me an estimate, but what impressed me was they went a little bit further as to repairing cracks, whereas the initial company was just going to repair the cracks on the one slab lifted. LRE looked like they were going to do a much more thorough job, and that's why I ended up choosing them. Never a lack of communication, very consistent, and Scott, basically second to none. I mean, I was definitely very impressed with how he went above and beyond, because there's one area that he actually went out of his way to just do kind of a makeshift repair there. I'm thoroughly happy with the job that he did. Please do not proceed with the job unless you at least talk to LRE, have them come out, give an estimate. I have not regretted it. I am so thankful that I reached out, because the project came out beautiful and I couldn't be happier with the result.